Alright, man. So y'all boys see we got the second gen. I'm not gonna lie. Today, I ain't even gonna catch y'all. I'm low-key thinking about going and getting a new air filter. Well, more so like an intake, but I'm gonna say air filter. Because, not gonna lie, I low-key need one. Hey, man, y'all boys see. It's raining outside, goddamn. And I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna cap to y'all. This a scary time to be driving some shit like this. I swear. Like, you would think, okay, for all my people who play the game, y'all know how it be, bro. Goddamn, on Gran Turismo when you racing in the rain or driving in the rain on that joint, bro. That's what this is right here, bro. Like, I don't even know why I'm in a fast lane at this moment, but we gonna go with it, bro. I'll eventually get over if I get the space like I got right now. Oh my god. But yeah, I want to go get a filter, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, I want to see if a new filter gonna make my car make like the whoosh type of noise that Isaiah don't be making, because that don't sound nice. If it don't, it's gonna suck. But at the same time, I got a cleaner air filter, because the air filter I got on this car right now is dirty as hell. So y'all know that already though, because y'all done seen me and Isaiah try to clean it to the best of our abilities. But let me see when I turn. I got some time. Man, you gonna take your precious goddamn time to get out the street, bro? Fuck. Y'all see I try to dodge about hoe. But like, yeah though, bro. Shit. That's what we gonna do though. We gonna try and see. Oh snap. We about to try and see if we can goddamn go get a filter. Hopefully on this side of town there's a dang going O'Reilly's on my, like, you feel me, on the side of town that I'm trying to head to. If it is, then shoot, we might be in luck. If it's not O'Reilly's, I'm gonna check AutoZone, but I doubt AutoZone carry the filters that I'm looking for. Y'all know AutoZone be having bullshit, bro. I had to learn that, man. AutoZone really, yo, AutoZone nice for like last minute, but like, bro, also I ain't gonna lie, gang, bro, is there any stores that sell OEM parts, bro? Like, I don't know no store that sell OEM parts. You just gotta order everything. Cause right now, I ain't gonna lie, I need a therm and I need a brake light switch for my car. That's why these lights is like, that's literally the only reason why that light is up right there. And I'm not gonna lie, I need to go and get those. You feel me? Also, that's probably why that traction light right there is on. Cause people swear my traction be turned off, but look, that's it being turned off. Now it's back on. So it's a whole another light, whole different light. That gotta be from that switch. Has to be. And it also, I don't have cruise control either. So that probably plays a huge role in it. But yeah, y'all see, you know what I'm saying? We in the fast, dude. Not really. It's kind of slow. But, you know, we make it work. Good little content feed. You feel me? Don't worry, we gonna pop out something way faster on the next drop. Watch. I ain't doing all that talking though. You feel me? Straight to the point. On the bros. Damn!
This nigga is trash.
I hate this fucking city, bro, with a passion. You can't have no type of fun. I ain't even go fast. Nigga, believe it or not, I'm going under the speed limit, bro. Crazy work. But yeah though, let me know if y'all rock with, like, do y'all rock with me holding the phone with my hand, or do y'all like the stick that I be using? Because I ain't gonna lie, this right here is the perfect POV. I swear it is. God damn, nigga, hurry up, bro. You in a big body. Whip that bit. Left. Come on. Hold on, Teddy geeking in it, bitch. Y'all know me though, I don't speed. Oh yeah. But yeah, I ain't about to bore y'all with this dang on drive. I'll probably turn y'all boys back on when, let me put y'all over here. I'll probably turn y'all boys back on when we get to the spot. So can see. You feel me? Let me take y'all boys off the tripod real quick. As y'all boys can see though, man, hold up, zoom y'all out some. As y'all can see, we got a second gen right here. Let me show y'all, because we did install a mod. We did install it. By the way, this video has been over the course of like 5 days, bro. I might be boosting. It's been like 3, but all right. So boom, y'all see it, jump overly clean, tight. You know what I mean? Look, gang, I made sure that jump was on there. Isaiah don't even know that this is on my car yet, which is so funny. So I can't wait to get his reaction to it. But I went typical Mopar owner, put in what he got done to the car on this piece right here. I was gonna put it up there, but I was like, nah, I'm good, bro. I'm gonna just put it right here. One of these, if I end this video off tonight, then it'll end right here. But if I don't end it and I end up dragging this to another day, I'm gonna probably try to get y'all a few revs. All right, now if I get y'all a few revs, this video gonna come out a little later because it's gonna take like a day or 2 maybe to get it. Cause let me see, I can actually record it Sunday because I go in late, so I could probably shoot to the east and go and do that, because I need to find somewhere to actually have space to rev my car without people being on my head. It's a little windy outside, but as y'all boys can see, we did install it. It's really simple, honestly, bro. You basically just, oh, this one kind of loose, and forget it. Hey, it still hold it on, so who cares? But it's all, ooh, hold on, she looking good, nice right now. But yeah, as y'all boys can see, I did put the K&N on top of the Mopar, you feel me? Because the Mopar one was dirty, like I showed y'all in the past already. Put the K&N sticker. Y'all know every damn Mopar owner who got mod or anything done to their car, bro, they gonna put it on the goddamn, let me cover the mic up for y'all so y'all can hear it. But they gonna put it on that little piece right there. I don't even know what the hell it is. By the way, it's not my car, but bro, yeah, so we did put the filter on there, as y'all boys can see. Hey, that don't looking right. We getting there, Chad. We almost there. Look, I'm gonna be honest, I could have been painted these bumpers if I wanted to. It just ain't my main focus right now. But realistically, if I was to sit right here and wrap the bumpers, then the car would be basically done. If I'm being honest with y'all, the car is done if I just wrap these bumpers or just get them painted. I'm probably gonna paint them myself, but yeah, the car is really done. But she looks so good, bro. Oh my god, twin. I just want to see if y'all can hear it, so I'm gonna set y'all boys back up, see if y'all can hear this joint real quick. Hopefully y'all can. That'd be hard if y'all can. So let me put y'all boys back on the tripod and pull my car, turn it back around, and see if y'all can hear it real quick. All right, now I know this shit a little lopsided, y'all, but man, y'all gotta work with me, bro. I'm solo dolo doing this, so hopefully y'all can hear me, because it is windy as hell out here. But yeah, let's see if y'all can hear it. Oh my goodness, bro, I really pray. Snap, my fault, y'all. It's windy as hell. Like, look at how I'm propping up my holder, bro. It's really windy, but hopefully y'all can hear this goddamn intake, because if y'all can't hear it, that's tough. But nah, bro, appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. If y'all boys new, man, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm finna go get some clips for Instagram with this, so hey, make sure y'all boys go follow the Instagram. We'll put it on the screen. Go follow the Instagram. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. Hopefully y'all can hear me, and I'm out, man.